It was still a good conference for us. Nakarating kami ng semifinals. 4-1 yung series, pero we felt that every game we played, we had the chance to win. Yung 5 games na yun, may ano talaga may pagkakataon na makuha namin yung laro, breaks lang. So siguro dapat matuto lang kaming maglaro ng endgame. Again, I don't want to make it an excuse na bata yung team namin. Hindi na bata yung team namin. Kailangan lang talaga na mas siguro a little bit more of the mental toughness in trying to close out the games. Kanina lumamang kami pero mga turnovers ang nakasira nung endgame namin. But still, I'm proud of what we have accomplished. Yung import namin pagdating ng semis, even in the quarters, nag-step up siya sa elimination. Kung makikita mo, I think it was the lowest scoring import. Pero pagdating ng quarterfinals, pagdating ng semis, kung ano yung kinailangan naming para makadikit o para mag-compete, ibinigay naman niya. Tingin ko nagkulang yung locals pagdating sa scoring, kasi yung scoring niya maayos yung mga locals namin inconsistent. Pero again, as you play in the playoffs, quarters or semis, ito yung mga napakahalagang mga lessons na will make your team better. So, on Filipino na next conference, I think laban ulit pagdating sa Filipino. Makikita mo naman na na may improvement noong last series namin sa TNT. Yes, nanalo kami ng isang laro, pero may mga laro na malayo na natambakan kami. Pero dito sa series na to, lahat ng laro namin may chance kami manalo talaga pagdating ng endgame. Mas veterano lang sila sa pag-finish. So, yun lang, we're happy with the performance of our import. Overall, we're also satisfied with our performance as a team. We will get better. We are getting better. Pagdating ng All Filipino, tingin ko lalaban ulit kami. Makaka-playoffs ulit kami. Of course, we're still looking at ways to improve the team. Magandang i-assess mo yung team base din dito sa mga nangyari. Kung meron man paraan para ma-improve pa sila, we will work on those ways to improve the team in the short off-season. I think April 4 pa yan. April 4 or April 5 yung opening ng All Filipino. So we'll take a few days break, then isa ulit ng ensayo.
What's any chance of Leon Thompson coming back?
Yes, very big chance of it coming back. I guess satisfied naman kami, happy kami doon sa performance niya. So, kung walang magiging problema sa iba niyang commitments, I think we can bring it back.
Coach Yeng, na-mention nyo na nga po na masaya nga kayo sa performance ng import, pero yung locals yung medyo pinapos.
Yes.
Kaya, how do you plan to address yung locals mo heading into that?
I think number one, we just need to be patient with them. Sabi ko nga, yung maramdaman nila yung ganitong laro, the next time na isapak mo sila sa ganyan, mas sila, nadidevelop yung toughness nila. Nadidevelop din yung judgment, decision making, yung diskarte. Diyan mo makukuha yun So there's no substitute for the experience that you get in a highly competitive situation. So, not worried about our locals. Hindi naman itong mga matatanda. Hindi na rin sila bata, pero hindi naman sila matatanda. Ang tingin ko, ang dami nilang na-absorb pagdating sa mga ganitong klaseng competition.